The new update lets you use ChatGPT image generator in various ways to save time. You don't want to have a bad profile picture on social media, maybe LinkedIn. Well, you can use AI to fix that for you. You can turn a selfie into a professional profile picture. Of course, add details exactly how you like the profile picture to look. Maybe you want to change the background. And also this works for a portrait of your dog. So you can change, maybe looks like a painting, a profile picture where you remove the background. You can then click on, and also you can select, maybe add a hat. Turn a sketch in a logo. Just make sure you are specific and you clarify exactly what you want, the type of logo you're looking for. And if you add, the more details you add in your prompt, the better results you'll get. Look at this, the logo, and this is the result I got. What if you could instantly generate a stunning website layout with just a few simple clicks? Make sure you clearly describe exactly what you want. Colors, layout style, header, content section. Be specific to your vision, and then boom, you're about to get a layout that looks pretty awesome, as you can see right here. Of course, you still tweak everything even further. You can delete, replace, update, whatever you need. Total freedom to design, reimagine, and personalize. Now, let's move to the next one. There are situations when you don't have the right footage to match your message. In that case, you can use ChatGPT to generate images that visually represent your text. Like this one, you can see it looks pretty nice. If you don't like the quality, you can add prompt to ask to increase the quality of your image, and even other things, maybe to remove this iPad or this camera from here, or replace or add something new. You have a great idea for a children's book, but you can't draw the characters and really takes time. Well, now with ChatGPT image generator, you can just describe characters, but make sure you do it in detail, and then it will create illustrations for you. And it's super easy and super cool way to bring your stories to life without needing drawing skills. So this is the result. There is another one here where I'm really specific with what I want. And then this is the result. Then you can, remove something. You can add text. As you can see, you can get pretty nice results. Check this out. I asked ChatGPT to generate an image of a futuristic coffee shop in a cyberpunk setting. You can use this prompt to create game assets, concept art, even build out the vibe for a story or animation. If you're designing comic, this is perfect for getting visual inspiration fast. It's also great for mock-ups, mood boards, or just building a visual world around your ideas. I took this illustration of a product. It's kind of like a concept design. I use it to turn into a realistic looking image using quite really simple prompt. And this is super helpful if you're working on a new idea and you want to see how it look actually before it's actually made. You can use it for mock-ups, presentation, even social reviews. And later on, I'll show you how you can take it one step further by placing your products onto a real person, like someone actually wearing or using it. That way, it feels more real. Generating a realistic image of a man working on a laptop, going to blend two images, a portrait image with a laptop scene. Also, I can widen the whole thing to give it that cinematic 16:9 look, more landscape, more room to breathe, as you can see. Now I'm boosting the colors to make everything pop and follow the exact. I can also give instructions, like follow the instruction from the image, follow text instructions. That's one way, but also of course you can just click on the image and then you can describe what you want to add, remove, and replace. I've tried a couple of that with instructions, another one with instruction. And then I want to make the image, the laptop screen, more bright, so I just make the screen bright and I gave like an example of a laptop with bright screen. Then here a couple of iterations, and then here the last one, as you can see, actually worked best. Just select exactly what you want to do and then select here I want to increase the laptop screen more bright. Now that's kind of the end result. And now here at the end, also just swap the face, just add a phrase, and then click on here, copy and paste the image. You can also just import from your computer, and then you can swap face with a different face, right? And this is what it looks like. And of course you can continue by adding the text, basically just describe and add text in the corner. We can use this prompt to create some high-end magazine style ad for sunglasses. Maybe not, but high quality in a really short amount of time. And it's pretty perfect and pretty good if you want to design some mockups for a brand, they need some visuals for online or just some social media campaign. So it's great for testing out product ads without needing a full photo shoot. We can use this prompt to make a minimalistic dog sticker perfect for merch, pad, brand logos, or adding to digital planners. With this thick white border and transparent background, it's ready to drop into anything from a website to a sticker pack. We can use this prompt to generate an overhead selfie of 3 friends. One sad, one happy, one looking away, and it's perfect for expressing emotions in a thumbnail, story post, even for some stock footage that you are looking for. And you want specific details for the image that you're looking for. And you can also now remove the background, just write remove the background, and you have now transparent background or just a background, just a white background. I've used this prompt to create a tattoo style image of a wolf made of smoke and embers, and it's dark, symmetrical, and hardcore, and this is perfect for a tattoo, for mock-ups, for album art, for even inspiration as a tattoo artist. And here, with the second prompt, this one I was looking for something more clean and minimalistic tattoo design, a simple mountain range with the words rise above, curved underneath, right? And it's great for, again, for mock-ups, merch, for some inspiration. This prompt is just great if you're looking for consistent characters or a dog. Let's say just one dog for 3D modeling reference, or maybe a pet product design, maybe a concept art. Well, you can use a prompt like this. It's gonna give you multiple angles. You can also just do it individually, just say from which angle. Now, another one, which, and this one is great for character design, for children books, and also this one again is great for game development and for game assets. This prompt helps you generate clean, modern UI for personal finance apps. It's perfect if you are a designer building your portfolio or testing app ideas. It includes a dashboard that shows income, expenses, and savings, and you can use this for mockups, page tasks, or even as a starting point for a real app design. And of course, depends now what you want. You can maybe add more details and change a couple of things here so you can get different results, or even improve upon this one. You can click on this and just select and maybe remove. Now, this is a great prompt because you can turn abstract ideas into infographics. So again, with ChatGPT image generator, and also use it to build presentation, explainer video, and with this prompt, and you can create some really powerful infographics, any kind of infographics. This infographics is about how AI works, right? But you can turn this infograph about anything you like. Another prompt that you can try is this one right here to create an illustration. You can use this for restaurant branding, generate some ideas for the menu items, for the social media posts, for food blogs. So look at this, really nice result. Another prompt that you can use is to create wallpaper for desktop or your phone. You can design aesthetic mockups for your lock screen, for your iPhone. And if you change your mind and you like to use this wallpaper for your desktop, you can just write a prompt to resize and adapt this wallpaper for your desktop.